Beautiful maiden of Mbanago Kingdom. What seems to be making you this broken at this hour of the day?
Ututu Oma.
Ututu Oma. What happened to your pot?
I slept and
Can you stop this? It's just a pot and not a broken life.
You will not understand. You will not understand. I am so broken because they will have my head. She's going to kill me if I go
home. Which clan are you from and who is your father?
Amaka. Is Miram not yet back?
Ne, I don't know what has been keeping that stupid slave girl. She's been gone for too long.
I don't understand. Look at the whole compound. So unkept.
I am sure that one of her numerous male friends must have cornered her by the bush to lay with her. Ne. My own is she must not bring back unwanted pregnancy into this household. Though.
She dare not. She dare not. Because I will personally kill her myself. She knows me too well. She will not try that nonsense with me.
Ne. I hate Miram. I detest her with so much passion. How can an ordinary slave have it all? She's tall, and everyone says she's beautiful. Even though to me, I'm sure she's ugly. Yet she commands the attention of the notable men of this kingdom.
The gods are partial. If not, how do you explain the fact that a slave is more beautiful than my own daughter?
Ne. Did you just say that Miroma is more beautiful than I am?
Not really.
So, Ne, you agree with everyone in this kingdom that she's prettier than myself?
No.
But you just said it, Ne.
I'm sorry.
I don't know what the problem is. Every man in this kingdom wants her. And I am sure the prince has not declared his interest because they are yet to cross paths.
My daughter, you worry your head too much. I'm your mother. And you know exactly what I can do. Trust me. By the time I'm done with her, you see that her beauty, no one will ever see it again. She will turn to mirror jaw that no man will ever fetch. Just calm down, all right?
But she's no more beautiful than I am, right?
Of course she's not. You're beautiful. And I want the best for you. All right?
Yes.
I promise you, you'll get the best. Not a stranger. A slave for that matter. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. All right?
Yes.
Smile for me.
Thank you.
Can I take you home?
No. Thank you. I'll be fine.
Are you sure that you're going to be fine?
Thank you.
She didn't get to tell me her name. Maiden, you didn't get to tell me your name.
Mirama.
Mirama, try and take good care of yourself. I have never seen this maiden before. Who is she? My prince, I know her very well.
You do?
Yes. She is that slave girl from Onowu, Ibuka's household. A slave? A slave is this beautiful? A slave?
What kind of madness is this? I will so deal with that slave today. Eh? Why would she leave everyone hungry? Imagine, up till now, my daughter, the prince betrothed, has not eaten. Eh?
Nne, leave that dirty slave girl to me. Leave her to me. I am going to punch her so hard on the face. Nne, I will deal with her in such a way that she will beg me to stop. But I will not.
Wow.
No, wait, is it not just to fetch water? What's all this now? Eh?
Nne. Wait a minute. Is that my pot? Hey! Madu.
Greetings, Nne.
Miram, you left this house to go fetch water. Where is the water that you fetched?
Nne, Speak!
The what? The what? Hey. You broke my costly pot. Eh? The pot that I spent a fortune to get. Eh?
I didn't break the pot. I slipped and the pot broke. I didn't break it.
Oh, Nne, she said, you slipped and the pot did what? You slipped and the pot did what?
My pot broke.
The pot did what?
My costly pot broke.
The pot did what?
My Miram.
What happened?
Oh, yeah.
You slipped. You slipped. Can you afford this pot?
No, you
Can you afford it?
No, you
afford this pot?
She's a very beautiful maiden with a sweet voice.
Fast, sister. I said sweep fast. Hurry up and go and prepare breakfast. Nonsense.
Nne, do you know my happiness? I promised this slave girl that I am going to punch her in the face someday. And finally I did. Let me see how you still parade yourself in this village as the most beautiful.
I said you should hurry up!
What is going on here?
Greetings now.
Greetings, Miriam. I asked the question. And what is wrong with your face? What is going on here?
I punched her on the face, Nnam. I punched her so hard.
Why will you do that? How can you show that level of hostility, brutality to an innocent maiden? What did she do that will warrant you punching her in the face That her face is looking this way.
My husband, ask her what she did.
Did she kill somebody? No, what exactly will she do that will make mother and daughter show this level of wickedness to a maiden? What is going on here? No matter what she did, are you not supposed to know that somebody gave birth to her?
I don't understand. Do you expect me to cuddle her up and probably applaud her for breaking my costly water pot?
Miram,
No.
is this true?
No, I didn't intentionally break the pot.
Will you stop lying?
I slipped on the stream part and the water pot broke.
Nam, she intentionally broke my mother's water pot.
And you will not eat in this house. That is your punishment until I say so.
Slave girl.
Greetings, mother.
Hey, Mr. Ibuka, you are back.
Yes, I am back.
No problem. The maids will prepare your food.
Please tell them to hurry up. I'm hungry.
Uju!
I'll be at my hut.
Okay.
Uju! Uju! That's my queen.
Go and prepare Prince Chukwuebuka's food.
Okay, my queen.
Nedima, can you start talking? Can you tell me the reason you did what you did? I mean, why do you hate this maiden so much? Can you tell me why?
I do not just hate her. I detest her. Up till the sand she marches on. Is that bad?
What is wrong with you? You are confirming to me that not only you hate her, that you even detest her. A maiden who is living under you. A maiden who prepares the things you eat. A maiden who is serving you. Can you tell me why? Why will you hate her so much?
You want to know why?
Yes.
Then I will tell you. I hate the fact that she's the only one that attracts rich suitors. When no rich man has ever come to ask my daughter's hand in marriage. Obaka.
Nedima, do I smell jealousy here? No, you are confirming to me that the reason you have been this wicked on this maiden is because you feel she is more beautiful than your own daughter? Come on, Nedima. A woman in your level should do better than this.
Let her live our lives. Let her leave this house. I don't want to see her. I hate her. Let her go.
Let who go? No, you want me to send away a maiden who is serving me and is serving me so well. How can you even say that? Stop. Can you stop already?
My husband, I want a million away. Let her live our lives. If not, I'll send her away myself. Trust me, you know what I can do.
You are going to send away a maiden that is serving me? Try that! Try that and you are going to discover the other side of me you never knew has been there.
Oh, really? That's all you have to say? My husband, this is all you have to say? Then watch and see. She will leave this house. My husband, be ready to show me that side of you. Because she will leave this house.
You know, Nedima, I look at you and all I see is a woman who is very impossible.
I know. And I'm so ready to do impossible things. I am ready!
Stop. Stop it. Uchagidia.
Uchem dia.
Uchagidia.
Uchem dia.
Abasukwenemiwe.
My husband, what has come over you? Why are you like this? Eh? You chose a slave over your own family. Nka Ogu, she will leave my house. She will leave my house. Trust me. Adema. Nabachelum. She must leave my house. Nabachelum.
Greetings, my prince.
Amaka, what are you doing here?
My prince, why do you always shove me off like I am nothing? And you constantly ask me this question each time I come around you. Why?
Because you keep barging in on me. Look at the time. This is when every maiden should be in her father's house doing chores.
How can you say I barge in on my future husband? That sounds funny, you know.
It sounds funny. Sound funny, right?
Very funny, my prince. You talked about house chores. Have you forgotten I have a servant? Rather, a slave, whose duty is to serve me. Come on, my prince. That's not nice.
So tell me, when this servant, rather slave, like you said,
A slave?
is busy doing chores, what do you do?
Absolutely nothing.
Ah.
I do not. What are you saying, my prince? Do you expect me to serve the slave girl instead of her serving me? It's our duty to serve me, to do my biddings. You don't expect me to lift a finger because I have got a slave girl in my father's house. That settles it.
Amaka, can you please go and come back later? I am busy, as you can see.
I'd rather sit.
I said come back later, please.
My queen does not want me.
How can you say a thing like that?
Because he treats me like a plague. He doesn't want me around him. Like when the mere sight of me pisses him off.
But you know it is not true. Prince Ibuka needs you, as he needs heir to live.
How come he's not talking about marriage yet? We are not even bonding.
Amaka, you worry so much. Prince Ibuka is my son, but he has no choice than to present you as his choosing bride.
But my queen, the very person in the center of all this is not even coming around. How do you want me to take it?
Have you forgotten that the person we are talking about is my son? The heir to this great kingdom. Prince Ibuka needs to do his parents' choice. Please relax.
I cannot relax, my queen. I cannot. If your son does not want me, let him come clean with it. I am the daughter of the Prime Minister of this kingdom, a beautiful maiden of the land. What is it that he wants? I'm leaving.
Come back here. Amaka, where are you going to? Go back to his chambers. I want two of you to start getting along. You are a woman. Make him fall for you. Grab him.
He asked me to come back, and he's already fast asleep. Just look at how handsome he is, even in his sleep. Look at those hairs, the broad shoulders. He's so handsome, just my kind of man.
What are you trying to do? Are you trying to seduce me?
My prince, how can I be seducing my husband? Why are you behaving like a child, Ibuka?
Did you just call me by my name?
We are getting married soon and should be getting along.
Excuse you? Who and who is getting married?
Both of us are getting married. My prince, I am your parents' choice for you.
Let me clear this impression. For clarity's sake, we can never have anything to do with each other. You're not my kind of woman. Do you understand?
I don't understand, my prince. Onyeze and Omasiri already chose me for you. So what are you saying?
I am telling you for you not to say that you kept rejecting suitors for my sake. My heart belongs to another. So please, stop.
I have tried to be very subtle with you. I have tried to play my part as a woman in a very subtle manner. But I guess it is not sinking. Now you listen to me. Because I will not have you ridicule me in this village like a piece of trash. I will not have you do that.
I won't be repeating myself. My heart belongs to another. So you better stop coming here.
My prince,
What is it? Why are you upset? Why are you crying? Eh, Amaka? What have you done to you?
Mother, it's
Talk to me.
Ibuka. I told you he does not want me. He has chosen another over me.
What? Did he tell you who the maiden is?
I was not patient enough to know who he mentioned. I stormed out in anger, Mother. Mother, I cannot take the humiliation. The entire kingdom is going to mock me.
Why? How can Ibuka do this to his father and I? We chose you because we know that you are best for him.
Mother, I cannot take the humiliation. It's too much. I cannot take it. I'm telling you now. How am I even supposed to walk freely in this kingdom anymore?
My dear, don't worry. Don't worry. Because of the closeness I have with your mother, I will not allow him to bring any other maiden into this palace.
My queen, I love Ibuka. I love him so much. I want to be his bride. What else am I going to do?
Of course, you will be with him and you are already there. Don't worry, I promise you, I will talk some senses into him. Eh? It's okay. Stop crying, eh? It's okay, it's okay. Sorry.
If you like, sleep there. If you like, sleep there. Hurry up and go and fetch water. Lazy bone. Ena bachoka.
Ne, please, can you give me just little food? Let me eat. I'm very hungry. Pico.
You want to eat my food?
Yes, Ne.
Miram, let me ask you. Is it that you do not know when to draw the line? Eh? Have you forgotten who you are? You're a slave. You're not my daughter.
Yes, Nne. I know that I'm a slave. But please, I'm very tired. Let me just have a little portion. Please now. I'm very hungry. I cooked it.
Yes, and so? It is your duty to cook because you're a slave. And so? Eh? You want to eat my food after breaking my water pot?
It was not intentional. I slipped out of hunger after walking a long distance to the stream. Please, I don't want to die.
It's again. Is it not better you die? Eh? Is it not better you die? I've told my husband to send you out of this house, but he refused. Whatever you see, you take. I'll give you my food. Now, one.
I am just wondering exactly what is holding the prince, your son, Prince Ibuka, from presenting Amaka as his chosen bride to the cabinet. I don't know what is going on. I do not understand it either. Onyeze, what exactly is the delay? We need to know. Amaka, my daughter, has been rejecting all her suitors because she has been keeping herself as the chosen by the prince. We need something to be done because I don't want a situation where she will end up chasing all her suitors away and then end up not being the chosen one.
Oh no, there is no law in this land that says it must be your daughter.
What?
I think Prince Ibuka's delay spells it out.
I am trying so hard to understand what you are saying.
Oh no, are you daft? What don't you understand? Ibuka's delay indicates his lack of interest in your daughter. You should know.
What is wrong with this man? Oh yes, can you see?
What is it?
How many times have I warned this man not to interfere when I'm holding a private discussion that has got to do with my family with you?
Everybody has his own opinion. Yes, and you cannot shut me up. No way.
What useless opinion will you be having in a private affair that concerns my family? I already told you not to interfere in anything that concerns me. Sit down and shut up.
Oh no, tell me. Why are you so particular about being an in-law to the royal family? Why? And you are even blowing the girl. We know that you did not bring up your daughter well. As far as I'm concerned, she has a zero character trait to be the queen of the next king.
You are very stupid to say that to my face.
What?
You are very stupid, yes, I said so.
Oh no.
What's wrong with this man?
You know I'm saying the truth. There are a whole lot of beautiful and well-mannered maidens in this town that deserve the prince, not your daughter.
May Amanio has struck your mouth for saying that.
Igwe.
May all the forces that keep on over this kingdom strike you for...
Stop, you two. Stop, you two. How can you sit here and be attacking each other for nothing? I don't know what has come over you people. What is it? No more talk from you.
There's no problem. No problem.
I wonder what is keeping him.
Nne, will you be going anywhere?
No.
Then let's sit back and wait for his return.
I'm just curious to know the outcome of the meeting at the royal palace. That's all.
Nne, I'm curious too.
Greetings, Nna.
My husband. How did you go?
Nam, you're welcome.
Amaka, get me something. Water to drink immediately. Fast.
Hey! Hey! Go and fetch water for my father to drink. Immediately.
Okay.
Hurry!
Amaka, your father just told you to give him water to drink. You are expected to do just that and not delegate that responsibility to someone else.
What is he, Nam? A slave whose duty is to run errands in this house.
Amaka, it has been said by all in this kingdom and even beyond that you are bereft of good manners. Their conclusion is that you don't have home training and you are standing before me exhibiting that same character. Why are you completely useless? Why?
But what did I do wrong, Nam?
My husband, honestly, I'm so disappointed. How could you say that to your daughter?
No, why would I say it?
Eh?
Why would I not say it?
So if others cast stone on your daughter, you will join them? Eh? You and I know that the haters are doing this because she's the daughter of the Ono.
That's what you think?
Of course it is what it is.
Really?
They are just jealous because her daughter has found favor in the eyes of the royal family.
Emekwere ime. Emere eme.
Do not panic. It is me.
You?
Yes, me. Why are you seated by the stream or by yourself crying?
I am a wounded soul. My life is shattered. This is not the life that I envisioned for myself. All my dreams and aspirations are shattered. They are shattered by the wickedness of men.
If I understand you very well, you are crying because you are embittered. Is it from the Onowo's family? Talk to me.
I'd rather not talk about it.
That is because you do not consider me a friend.
I am a common slave. I am not even expected to keep friends, either male or female.
Miram, see me as your friend.
You know my name?
Have you forgotten you told me your name the other day you broke your water pot?
I can't even remember.
Stop crying, please.
Amaka, she know you would have been married by now, if not for your unruly behavior.
Ifed, you don't have to remind me. It's either I get married to the prince or no one.
But can't you see he's not showing any interest? It is your parents that is pushing this, right? At least use your head.
I still stand a chance with him. How?
How? He's the one that will marry you, not his parents. So my dear friend, if he says no, that is what it is.
Ifedi, King Ake Uchonwa is the traditional ruler of this kingdom, and whatever he says stands.
Not in this case. He has every right to choose or recommend a maiden for the prince, but it's entirely the prince's choice to make.
One thing you have failed to understand is that the prince has no choice. He must obey his parents. Whatever they say to him is what he will do.
Amaka, I know why I'm saying this, so you will not lose at the both end. Take for instance, look at the way you are dressed. Like a princess, when you do not even know your stand with the prince. Use your head now, my friend.
What is wrong with you and what is with all this use your head, use your head? You don't know that's an insult. Listen, I am the chosen one, the prince's choice. By so doing, I am automatically the princess of this kingdom. So I should look it. I can't come and look less, you know. Don't you get it?
Wrong, Amaka, you are wrong. Wait until the prince chooses you. Then you can fly over the moon. But until then, stop dressing like a princess. So you will not make yourself unreachable to men that have interest in you.
Are you jealous?
Me? Jealous? Come on now, my friend. You know I can't be jealous of you. I am just trying to advise you.
Keep it.
You better think about it.
You look royal. Always adorned in royal apparel. Do you come from a royal family?
Why are you just asking now?
Let's see. I'm just being curious now.
Yes, I'm from a royal family. My name is Prince Ibuka, the Crown Prince of Banago.
No!
What is it? Why are you running off?
I must not be seen with you. I need to fetch water and leave here at once. Please.
But I do not bite.
Wait. Are you not Prince Ibuka? Amaka's would-be husband?
What? Amaka? How?
Yes, you are the only one in her head. You are all she thinks of and brags about. Please, I must not be seen anywhere close to you, else her mother will pour me hot water. I'm not ready for her wrath, please. I need to just fetch water and leave at once.
Are you trying to say that Amaka goes around the community telling everyone and every ear that cares to listen that I am her groom-to-be? Yes, my parents recommended that, but I told them that I'm not interested in marrying Amaka. Yes.
Amaka, wait. What is it? Are you not the one Obiefuna is beckoning onto? At least wait and hear what he has to say. Have you gone mad?
How dare you ask me to stop and listen to that never-do-well of a man? How dare you?
Obiefuna is not a never-do-well. He is a hard worker who has worked his way to every lips of the subject of this kingdom. Did you hear me? Listen to him.
Amaka.
Be explicit and leave.
I've been calling you since from that junction.
Say it! Or are you stalking me or what?
No, Amaka, I told you something. And you have to pray if I'm the right person for you. Huh?
What's that your name again?
Obiefuna.
Obiefuna?
Yes.
So you little riffraff expect me to go about disturbing the gods? For what exactly? About you?
Do not rush into conclusion. Where your heart is going might not be the right choice for you.
Shut up. Have you forgotten who my father is? The Prime Minister of this kingdom. And you are asking me, you little riffraff, to pray? Have you gone mad?
Amaka, you are just Onowu's daughter. Not King's daughter. If not for one thing, Ndowagono. Look at the one share. Apoga Makineko. Similar for Sonyala. Come on, get out. The good one here.
Happy now? You shut up and get out of my sight.
kind of a human being is this?
I'm surprised you came out all by yourself, without the company of any guard.
Well, my parents insisted on the guards coming with me, but I declined.
Seems you're the stubborn type.
Stubborn? Me? I am not stubborn. Just that I do not like the guards following me everywhere. I'm human, I deserve some privacy and space.
But you should also know that you are royalty and must be treated as one.
You don't have to remind me that. I mean, I'm not different from others.
When you look at it now, you're already raising your voice.
I'm sorry. I don't like to be seen like a superhuman.
Prince Ibuka, of a truth, you have the attributes of a king. You tend to apologize when necessary. I think I love that.
Can I take you home?
No.
Why not?
Seems you're forgetting who I am. Oh, I can go home.
Let me help you.
You don't have to.
Careful.
I don't want my nigga. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Amaka, what? What is it? What is wrong with you? I do not understand the reason for your outburst. Did you not hear what that useless Obiefna said to me? Did you or did you not hear it? You started it first. You talked down on him and made him look less of who he is. And you decided to throw it back at your face. How is that a problem? You actually think you know me, but you don't. When next that imbecile of a man stops me on the road, you will see what I will do to him. Just imagine Obiefuna. What's that? Amaka, retrace your footsteps. Retrace them. What did you say? Amaka, you are my friend. You are my friend, and I can never deceive you. At this point, I think you should desist from your irrational behavior towards men. Get one, get married, and start up your own family. Please. So, hold on. Ifedi, so you are advising me now? Really? You turned yourself to my advisor. Maybe you are deaf that you didn't hear me. I, Amaka, Miram, her father's pride, the daughter of the Prime Minister of this kingdom, will get married, but only to a prince. Did it sink? Really? Well, if you must know, Obina and his people will be coming to my father's compound in the next Ore market day to pay my bride price. Ifedi, you're getting married. Oh yes, I'm getting married to that same Obina you once talked down on. And Machi's dowry will be paid tomorrow. Machi too? Yes. Hey you! Stop there! Where are you coming from?
I went to the stream.
You went to the stream for God knows how long are you coming?
Stop! Stop! Will you stop this your really behavior? What is wrong with you? Are you mad? Hi!
Let this be the first and the last time you will ever involve yourself in anything that has to do with my family.
Really?
Pocket it.
Really?
All right. Go ahead. Kill her. Miram, come, let her kill you. Kill her. Rubbish. Get out. Happy, right? You are happy now. I am asking you. You are happy. Get out. Slave rat. Hey! You fed. Getting married?
Both of you are looking at the incoming queen of Mbanago Kingdom. Did you hear me say it?
Amaka, what is actually keeping you and the prince from getting married?
Does it mean the prince does not see how gorgeous you look?
Machi, leave Amaka alone. Only she knows who she's waiting for. She has been rejecting suitors, all because of Prince Ibuka, who does not even know if she exists or not.
I don't understand.
You mean the reason you are not yet married is because of the prince? I mean, even thinking before I will come back from my maternal home, you might have even gotten married to the prince.
Amaka is the one holding herself. She is the one holding herself. Since Prince Ibuka is not showing any seriousness, she should accept one of her suitors and get married. Also not Prince Ibuka, not bro Prince Ibuka.
Oh, that's her business. So as for me, any moment from now, I might be getting married.
What? Machi, you'll be getting married?
Oh, yes.
Chimo. So, tell me now, tell me my friend, what does he do?
Well, he's a wealthy farmer.
A wealthy farmer?
Yes.
Chimo. Amaka, Machi will soon be getting married. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
My best friends are getting married, while I do not even know my stance with the prince. Why is he not coming around? Am I not beautiful enough for him to consider me a worthy bride? It's an obvious fact that Prince Ibuka's mind is somewhere else. If not, why the unnecessary delay?
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, my son. Sit down, sit down. I heard you left the palace without your guards. Where to where exactly?
Oh, I went to the stream to clear my head.
And what's eating up my son?
Father, there comes a time in a man's life when he needs a quiet time to think and see what the future entails.
I hope that future includes your settlement and marrying your heartthrob, Amaka, the daughter of Ono, as your bride.
Father, we're still having this conversation. You and mother keep going back to an issue that is already settled.
And what are you driving at?
For the obtained time, I do not love Amaka and I don't want her as a bride. As a matter of fact, Father, I have already found myself a suitable maiden for a bride.
Hmm? Who is this maiden? Where is she from? What does she represent? From which clan?
Father, take it easy. When the time is ripe, you would see her. This maiden is very beautiful and well-mannered. She's awesome. You would love her. As a matter of fact, you will fall in love with her at the sight of her.
My son, you mean I will fall in love with this, your strange maiden, and leave my wife on my Sireze?
You know that is not exactly what I meant, Father.
Okay.
I'm just saying that she's an adorable person.
Then do well and bring her to the palace. Let us see her.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you.
I will.
Son. It's all right.
Let me retire to my hut.
Okay, my son. Eh?
My husband, there is no way I can accept his choice. Prince Ibuka rather accept our choice, or he forgot bringing another maiden into this palace.
Omasireze, let us wait for him to bring the maiden. What is the fuse about? We wait for him to bring the maiden before casting stones.
It is Onowu's daughter. She will always remain my choice for my handsome son. Ibuka will never end up with a commoner.
Like I said, let us wait for him to bring her first. Let's see who he chooses.
Tell me, Ibuka, what does he want from another maiden that is not in Amaka? Amaka is beautiful. She has courage. She will always remain my choice till tomorrow. What I think that we need to do now is to plan how to pay Amaka dowry and perform the necessary marital rites. Final.
Omasireze, we shall take it one step at a time.
Let me remind you that we don't have the luxury time. Even Ibuka does not have all the time in the world to wait further.
I know the royal cabinet are unto him to show his chosen bride. But we must remember that his happiness will be utmost in our mind.
My king, I thought that we are in this together. Eh?
Yes, we are in this together. But remember, it is Ibuka's decision to take whether to go with our choice or not.
Really? So you want to drop out? Akwaya? No problem. I have made my point, and that is final. Igwe, I will be in my chamber.
Women will always remain women.
Ibuka, who is she?
Mother, why do you enjoy bargaining on me?
Tell me, who is she?
Who is who?
Tell me, who is that disgrace you want to bring into this palace? Who is she? Who is the father? Where does she come from? Who is that maiden that you have chosen over Amaka?
Mother, you have to wait.
No way! You have to tell me her name and who her father is.
Like I said, Mother, please wait.
Ibuka, you know we are your parents. We know the best for you.
You do not know the best for me, mother. I am a man, I know what I want. I know the type of woman that I want. I have looked at the picture clearly. Amaka is not the woman that I want for myself.
Then look at the picture again. Amaka is already there in your future. Two of you will make a wonderful pair.
I disagree with you. As a matter of fact, mother, I have found myself a suitable maiden. Very beautiful and well-mannered. I'm sure you would love her when you see her.
I insist. It is Amaka.
Then you will have to marry her for your husband as a co-wife.
Omasireze, what exactly is going on?
Nedima, what are you talking about?
Our children, of course.
What about them?
Why the delay? Why has your son not come to pay my daughter's dowry yet?
Nedima, we are on it.
You're on it. Omasireze,
Nedima.
This was not what you promised me. This was not our agreement. And you know the consequences of not keeping your own agreement. You know it. Please don't push me. Talk to your son. You're his mother. And you have the right to tell him what he should do. Talk to him to do the right thing. Else, you know exactly what will happen.
What's wrong have I committed against Ibuka? He's been unnecessarily unreasonable.
You're the only friend I have in this kingdom. Thank you for being my friend. I do not take you for granted.
You're welcome. Tell me more about yourself.
There's nothing about me. I'm just a poor slave.
You have a family. You come from a kingdom. Tell me more. I want to know everything about you.
I used to have a family. But not anymore.
Tell me about them.
Of what use will the information be to you? I have been deprived of life. I have been deprived of love. I have been deprived of all the good things of life that I have been used to. Just because of sheer wickedness.
Are you referring to the people that sold you out on slave trade?
Yes.
Miram, everything is going to be fine. Don't worry. Believe me to reunite you back with your family.
How do you intend to do that?
Everything has a price. Ibuka bought you for a certain amount. I will double that or even triple it for him. Don't worry. But for now, time is far well spent. Let's fetch your firewood so that we can go back.
Thank you. Thank you.
So finally, I am going to become the queen of Mbanago Kingdom. Well, it is deserved. So I am going to be dressing in different royal regalia, addressing the women and even my friends as my subjects.
Amaka! You are here! So you are here, pacing up and down the length of your father's compound with your shoulders high and your nose in the air while the prince is frolicking around the kingdom with Miram.
Which prince are you talking about? My own prince? That's not possible.
Amaka, I saw them with my eyes. I saw them laughing heartily with like love baits.
And I said you're lying. Me, listen. He's a prince and she's a slave. There is no connection whatsoever, so it's not even possible.
Me lying? I'm lying. For what? Why would I lie for over what I never saw? You said I was lying, right? Here they come. At least you've seen it with your eyes.
Please show him where to drop the firewood.
Okay, my prince.
Good day, my prince.
How are you?
I'm fine, my prince.
How are you?
How dare you? Simo, how dare you, swine of a prince? How dare you? Of all the maidens in this kingdom, you chose to embarrass me with my slave. Amaka, what have you done? You slapped the heir to the throne of Mbanago Kingdom? Yes! Yes, I slapped him! And I will slap you again and again! You have no right whatsoever to embarrass me in this manner. My prince. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my prince. Amaka.
I do not know where you got that nerve from. But I assure you that you will be punished accordingly for raising your filthy hands on the royal blood.
My prince, please. Please forgive her. Amaka, apologize to the...
Abi!
My prince. Amaka, shut up. Out! Get out! Mirama!
Leave me alone. Amaka, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Amaka, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You injured me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Did you tell me I was doing anything with him?
How dare you? How dare you question me, you swine of a slave? How dare you raise your filthy hands on me? If you dare slap me again, I will strangle you. Dare you question my authorities? How dare you? You injure her! Miram, stop! Stop! Look, my friend, if I were you,
this is not what you will be doing now. We'll be thinking of what your punishment will be for slapping the crown prince of Mbanago.
Does it look like I care? I do not care. Of all the maidens in this kingdom, that pig of a prince prefers the swine, a slave in my father's house.
Amaka.
That will be over my dead body.
Amaka, can you please stop this irrational behavior and follow the prince before he gets to his father and reports you?
I do not care. Did you not hear me? I said I don't care. He can as well report me to the gods. Nothing will happen.
Amaka, can you listen to me?
Go after the prince and stop him. Mirama! Mirama!
Amaka!
Amaka!
Chika, yes? I saw the crown prince earlier today with a frown face. I hope all is well.
No, all is not well. I heard Amaka slap the crown prince.
You mean Onowu's daughter? Dare lay her filthy hands on the prince? How? When?
I heard it was earlier today, at their place.
That's ugly, Amaka. Moreover, I wonder why the gods will choose her for our prince. They say she's the chosen one. A maiden without respect. A lady that carries herself all over the kingdom, parading with so much pride. The chosen one.
Anyway, let us not question the decision of the gods. They know better.
Please, let's lower our voice so we are still in the palace.
Okay.
Father, this palm wine is very good.
Yes. Udekwe, the palm wine tapper, he is the best in the whole of Mbanago. His palm wine does not touch the ground. No matter how many kegs he brings out, fiam, it will finish.
Indeed, he knows his onion when it comes to palm wine tapping.
Yes, he is the best around here. But son, I notice you are drinking much.
Father, I was just trying to get off. But never mind. Never mind.
What do you mean?
Nothing, Father.
What seems to be the problem, my son?
I have found her.
Found who?
The chosen one.
Not Amaka, the daughter of Onowu?
Father, there is no way I am going to marry the untrained daughter of Onowu Ibekwe. I have said it countless times that I would never have anything to do with her. I have found the beautiful maiden that I want for myself, and is worth the wait. Father, I am ready to make her my bride now.
Amaka! Amaka!
Ma'am.
Amaka, I heard you slapped the prince. Is it true?
Ma'am, at least ask me what caused it. I would never have slapped the prince for doing nothing.
No, by saying that, you are confirming to me that you actually slapped him. Are you not supposed to know that you have no right whatsoever to raise your hands on the crown prince of this kingdom, no matter the provocation? Are you not aware of that?
My husband, allow our daughter to defend herself before you chastise her for no reason.
Defend herself from what? I mean, from who? What are you saying?
But Mama, at least ask me. Ask me what happened. I am not a mad person to raise my hands on the prince just like that. He brought that slave rat into this home. And from all indications, there is something going on between them.
What are you saying?
As a matter of fact, Nam, it was the palace guard that brought back the firewood. And I am sure the firewood was fetched on Prince's instruction.
Prince Ibuka brought Miram back into this compound? Could it be she fainted in the bush as a result of hunger? Have you seen it, both of you? Have you seen why I keep saying that you should stop unleashing high level of wickedness on that innocent maiden?
My husband, you never cease to amaze me. Eh? From bringing her back to declaring her the chosen one. How come you're not seeing what I'm seeing?
What are you saying? What are you saying?
That which goes about attracting suitors to herself. Eh? When our daughter has not even brought one person home.
And how is that her fault? Eh? No, how is it her fault?
No, it's going to be over my dead body. That will never happen.
And it will never happen. Not under my watch. What? Yes! My Teresa knows me too well. She will never ignore my warnings. Never! Mirama!
Mirama! Miraja! You can see it, right? I don't think that slave rat is still in this compound. I think she must have gone to be with my prince.
Akwina Afia.
Mirama!
Akwina!
Amaka, you called me. Are you just hearing your name now? You're just hearing your name now. Are you just hearing your name or you chose to ignore?
Amaka, what has come over you?
Now, how many times are we going to beckon her before she could answer us?
And that is a reason for you to slap her right before me? Are you sick in here? Don't you understand that slapping her is very stupid of you? Can you see your daughter?
Amaka, this is the second time you are slapping me today. What wrong did I do to you?
You have done everything wrong to me.
Yeah, Mirama. What are you doing with my daughter's husband today? I do not understand. Eh? Bia, do not act dumb with me. What are you doing with
She's talking to you. Come close and answer.
Stand
here. Go there.
You not understand, Gene. What are you doing with Prince Ibuka?
Nothing.
Now tell me, what is this thing that I heard about him bringing you home and practically frolicking with you? Eh?
I was very tired and I almost fainted in the bush.
You're a pathetic liar.
That was when he saw me and rescued me. There's nothing.
You liar.
Am I not finally vindicated? Is this not exactly what I said? She practically does all the chores in this house. She is one who is cooking everything that we're eating in the house.
Because she's a slave!
And to eat even part of the food she has cooked, nobody will allow her. Only the gods can tell me what the priest may have told the father, the king, concerning this family on the account of the action of mother and daughter. Only the gods will tell me.
And what is it about us? Eh? You should know she's just acting up. She's full of pretense, and you know it. Husband, I don't understand you. Each time you're supporting a slave.
Listen, you are going to be concerned with the fact that you raised a daughter that you have not trained. That daughter of yours that you have failed to train may be the one who will be ill-treating you tomorrow. Mark it somewhere.
And that is why you're supporting a slave.
Miraja!
If you move 1 inch, you see that slap you gave her? The one I will give you, you may dissolve into this pillar.
This is my pain.
Ibuka, what is this thing you brought to my palace?
This thing, like you call that, is a human just like you and I.
Is she not the slave in Onowu's Ibekwe's house? What is she doing here?
But you're embarrassing my guest.
Really? I'm embarrassing your guest. And you? What are you doing with my son? Don't tell me that you are the one he chose over my Amaka.
Mother, can you please stop being so dramatic?
You dare call me dramatic queen?
You slapped me?
I want to reset your brain. Because you are getting mad. Before I close and open my eyes, this thing should leave my palace. Get out!
She's not going anywhere, mother.
Get out!
Mirama.
Ibuka! If you dare leave this palace, I will hold it up my breast and curse you!
Mirama! Mirama!
What is happening? Huh? What is it? What? Oma Teresa! Oma Teresa! Oma Teresa!
Excuse me. How are you?
I'm fine. You are here. Did you see what happened out there?
No. I was not around. The queen sent me for an errand.
You needed to see the way the queen treated the maiden Prince Ibuka brought to present to the king.
Which maiden?
The slave girl, of course.
Do you know her reason for doing that? Maybe I can't be a coromia. Can I go to Biko?
I'm not calling you. I'm not calling you.
Ogini, what is it? Ogini.
It has happened though.
Amaka, is anything wrong with you? No matter what has happened, is that why you run into this compound without saying a word of greetings to your father?
Greetings in them. Someone told me that they saw Miram and the prince chatting along the road and heading to the palace.
It's again. How?
You heard me, oh. You heard me, oh. Me, I'm not taking lightly, oh.
The same Miram that left this house to the market. In Anukwa.
Nam, you will not say anything now, eh? You will not say anything now.
Yeah. Where are you coming from?
She was with me. Greetings, Onowibekwe.
Greetings, Prince Ibuka. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please, you may be seated.
My prince, I do not understand what you meant.
Greetings, Nne.
Prince Ibuka, are you not forgetting something here? The Miram you are talking about is actually not a maiden of this land. She is a slave that I bought that is working in my compound. Don't you know?
I know. And I'm ready to triple whatever amount you pay to have her.
I am lost. What are you saying?
I want her to quit working as a slave.
Prince Ibuka, in the well-documented history of Mbanago Kingdom, what you are saying has never happened.
No. I hope you heard the part where I said that I will do everything possible to remove the tag slave from Miram.
Prince Ibuka, if you are not prepared to start using your position to remove the tag slave from slaves, why will you decide to start with the one living in my compound?
She is the chosen one.
What?
You are confirming to me you are prepared to make a slave girl your bride?
Yes, no. I love her so much. My whole world revolves around that maiden. Please permit me to have her as my bride. I beg you.
I will think about it.
Dalo?
I sure will.
Thank you, Onowu. I shall be on my way. but permit Miram to see me off.
That is not a problem.
Did you hear that?
Miriam! Miriam!
No.
Come. Come here. Just come. I wanted to see the prince off.
Dalo no.
Oh, you have lived the life of...
You must not allow him to be with her. You cannot allow him to be with her. The prince is mine. He's mine alone.
After all my warnings, Omasireze dead me.
Mirama must not be the chosen one, and I alone deserve the prince. I deserve better.
It cannot happen. Not on my watch. Never.
Shouldn't happen, no. It must not happen because the prince should be mine.
Omasireze, you dead me. I will so hit you that you will not know what hit you. Trust me.
But you told me you have a royal majesty under your cross. You told me she's under your control. That the prince will have no choice than to choose me. You said I am his bride. What is happening? What is all this?
Of course you are his bride. That's who you are.
Please don't let him slip off my finger, I beg you.
I don't know what you both are here discussing. But based on what has happened, are you going to fight the gods? Don't you think it is not right to question the movement of the gods?
No, please. No, because you are the prime minister of this noble kingdom. And you are the second in command after his royal majesty. Nam, please use your office, I beg you. Nam, please don't let me face this shame. I cannot face it, I cannot bear it, I'll kill myself, I beg you, Nam. Nam, please. Let's say something to Nam. Nam, please. Nam.
Listen. The prince must marry you, and not that slave girl. Do you hear me? Wipe your tears. I'm your mother. Look at me. The prince must marry you. Stop crying. Stand up. Stand up.
Oh, you have to talk to me.
Trust me, alright? Trust me. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay.
What did you tell my master?
I told him I want you and I want to make you mine.
How come you never told me about your intention, but chose to tell your noble?
I took you to the palace to tell my father of my intentions to marry you before my mother thwarted the plan.
You have not answered my question. Why didn't you tell me first?
Because I didn't want you to say no to me, out of fear of what your master's wife and daughter would do upon hearing it.
But why are you not married at this age?
I was to be married 2 years ago. Along the line, tragedy befell the maiden I was supposed to marry.
What happened?
How can such tragedy befall my precious daughter? On the eve of her marriage to the Prince of Mbanabu, she was hale and healthy. She did not complain of any ailment. Gods of our land, why will you allow this type of calamity to befall my family? What offense did I commit to deserve this kind of punishment from the gods?
Your Highness, Okaria, what troubles my king?
I am a wounded father. The sword of evil has pierced my heart. I am heartbroken. I am pained. How can the gods allow this kind of tragedy to befall my family?
Yes, Okaria. What are you driving at?
My daughter, the princess, was devoured by a wild animal on the eve of her marriage to the prince of Mbanago. How can the gods allow this kind of evil to befall me?
Yes, Okaria. It's already 2 years. The princess passed on. And you're still grieving over your loss. My king, the princess is long dead and gone. So stop grieving. Move on with life. Moreover, my king, you have subjects to rule over. So stop grieving.
As if the loss of my princess was not enough, I also lost my queen and prince Afamefuna. What did I do to deserve this kind of calamity? The gods of our land.
My king, it's okay. Stop grieving. Stop grieving.
Chai, you lost her at the eve of your wine carrying.
She was devoured by a wild animal.
Ewo, I'm so sorry about that. That must have broken you.
Yes. Even though I never met her in person.
You never met her in person, yet you wanted to pay for her bride price.
It was all my father and Ezokaria's arrangement. I was broken. I was shattered. I couldn't put myself together. Then my parents thought I should marry Amaka, the Onowo's daughter. But how can I marry Amaka? Amaka is filled with pride. Even though she is not royalty yet, she carries herself with so much pride. She sees herself superior to every other person in this kingdom.
Do you love her?
Oh, please. No! I do not love Amaka. She is not my kind of woman. I can never marry her.
Hi. Angela Bata.
Ne. Here comes the slave, idiot, husband snatcher.
Hi, Amaka. Miram, come here. Where are you coming from? I went to see the prince of... You went to see the prince? You went to see this prince of... Are you stupid? You left your chores undone. Only the gods knows where. Eh?
Nene, I am very sure that the prince must have taken her to a nearby bush and lay with her.
Amaka, watch what you say to me. You shouldn't say what you're not sure of.
Who said I am not sure of it?
How can you insinuate that the prince that I was outside the compound with took me to the bush? To do what exactly?
What they do in the bush is what he took you there to do. Listen to me. The prince is mine and mine alone. Stay away from him. I am warning you. Leave the prince alone.
Amaka, I am in no tussle over the prince with you. And you know it. Prince Ibuka came for me and not the other way around.
Yes, again. Who can... What's your mouth? Johnson!
What did you say? Who came for you?
Are you stupid?
Eh? Who came for you? Idiot!
Can you imagine? Have you lost your senses? Eh? Have you forgotten who you are? You're nothing but a slave. You're a slave. You want to fly over the moon in my house. Eh?
Listen to me. It is going to be over my dead body that will allow you to get married to the prince. Over my dead body.
Can you imagine? Dreaming above your destiny. Mirama, you're dreaming above your destiny.
In my father's house.
Get out also. Will you get out of here? You know what? Prince Ibuka came for me. Hi!
But, did you not hear what she said? She said the prince came for her. How now? What for? How?
And you believed her. Omasreze, this will never happen. It is not going to happen. Never.
Nedima, my friend. If I tell you that I understand what is happening now, I am lying.
Please don't act ignorant of what I'm talking about. Because you and I know what will happen if your son, Prince Ibuka, marries the slave girl in my house.
Prince? Marry who?
Your son, Prince Ibuka, came to declare his intention of marrying Miram to my husband.
What? Hey, my son, Prince Ibuka. Hey, I won't allow them to be. I will not. Oh. No wonder. He brought her to the palace to see his father.
Wait a minute. So you know?
Nedima. Eze Akekbuchonwa and myself chose the late princess of Akamere for the prince. And he accepted. But death took her away. After her demands, you decided that the prince should marry your daughter. I accepted. It is obvious that the prince does not want Amaka.
But you know me too well than to try me. You know me well. Listen, get your son Prince Ibuka to do the right thing. We had an agreement. You know I have all your secret in my palm, and I'm the only one that has it. Okay, ma? If not, I will expose you. Let your son do the right thing. I repeat, let your son do the right thing. Then do your job. Do your job and keep to your promise.
One, I really do not have anything against your choice. But must it be a slave?
That slave, like you all tagged her, is a human just like you and I. And she is the one that my heart beats for.
She's actually beautiful, you know. Just that there is something about her that I can't place my hand on. I mean, she has this aura, this...
Ibuka, what is wrong with you?
Mother, what is it?
I am not talking to you. Ibuka, are you mad? How dare you?
Mother, what are you talking about?
If you think that I will allow you to rub the name of this family to the mud, my dear, you are wrong.
Mother, please, can you talk and stop running round the circles?
Princess Oledo, stay out of this. I will not warn you again. Of all the maidens in this Mbanago kingdom, you did not see a bride. It is a slave.
Mother, that slave is my choice.
Really?
Yes.
You want to bring shame upon this family? I will not allow you. Now listen, in the next Eke Market Day, you are going to marry Amaka.
Never. Over my dead body, mother, I will rather kiss the earth goodbye than marry Amaka.
Mother, please, don't be too harsh on him.
What is happening to me? You know, Wakarakam or Obu Maichi. How can such calamity befall me? What kind of destiny is this? How can the gods watch me go all through these calamities? From losing my precious daughter to death, to losing the heir of my throne, then losing my Lolo. What kind of misfortune is this? Sleep has eluded me. Indeed, I am a bleeding king. Who would succeed me when I join my ancestors? Ugeze has not been able to give me a child, not to talk about an heir. What must I do?
Onyeze, I think you need to take another wife. Since Ugeze has not been able to give you an heir to the throne.
His Royal Majesty Eze Okaria Onowu Udemba is right. And as the custom and tradition demands, failing to produce another heir to the kingship will automatically means that what? His kingship will go to another family. That's the tradition for you and custom.
Ijowa. Ogagidehu Olawazu. I followed the advice of you, my cabinet members, that I should take another wife. What was the reason? That Okwesileze, my queen then, would not be able to give me an heir to the throne, which she later did. I watched him grow up. I nurtured him, but all of a sudden, death visited and took away my son, took away my heir. As if that is not enough, mysteriously, I loved my beloved wife, Ukwesileze, Odogunwai. Oh! Ugeze, the woman you, Onowudemba, recommended for me to marry. I've lived with her now for the past 15 years. She have never taken in, not to talk about miscarriage.
Ezo Karia, it is not for us, mother, to decide who we procreate. It is in the hands of the gods. That is why it is called mystery. Yes.
Oh no, you're right.
Yeah.
Onyeze, that the second one failed does not mean we should not try again. We keep trying and trying until we will succeed.
Oh no. The chamber Nefo. Yes. I've heard what both of you said. I will think about it.
Do not only think about it, do something about it. Unless you want the kingship to go to another family.
Zakaria, I hope you are not thinking of doing what the elders in council are asking you to do, because I will not allow that happen.
Ugeze, retire to your hut. Let me think of a way out of my predicament.
Zakaria, I said I hope you are not thinking on doing what the elders in council are asking you to do.
Wait. Ugeze, did you by chance eavesdrop on me and my cabinet members earlier today?
Whether I eavesdropped or not, that is not the issue on ground now. The issue is that you are not going to do what the elders in council are asking you to do. Yes.
And if I may ask why?
Because I, Gweze, the queen mother of this kingdom, will not allow that happen.
And yes. I ask again why? Is there anything I'm supposed to know? Is there anything you're not telling me, Ugeze? Talk to me now.
I have already made my stance on this.
Now listen to me. You are not in the position to tell me what to do. And don't allow me consider you an enemy to the throne. Tomorrow I'm sending words to my cabinet members.
Father, please, permit me to follow my heart. I beg you.
My prince, Amaka is a good choice than the slave girl.
Miram is a better choice for me. All my life, you and mother have made choices for me. I have never complained. This is a matter of the heart. And I am a man now. All I ask is that you allow me make this choice for myself. Please, I beg you.
Over my dead body. For me to allow you marry that slave.
Mother, this is a matter of the heart. And I will not allow you to toss with my emotions over whatever secret Ned is blackmailing you with. I will go ahead and marry Miram without thinking what you want.
Son, I will support you. You have my consent.
Father, thank you.
Yes.
My heart is gladdened.
Yes.
Thank you, Father.
I disapprove of that. And I'm surprised at you. My husband. How can you be so insensitive and unreasonable?
Woman, watch your tongue. Watch your tongue.
How can you support your son, the heir apparent to the throne, to rule this kingdom with a slave?
As long as it makes him happy.
No way!
As long as it makes him happy.
No way!
Son.
Father.
I support you. You have my consent.
Thank you. Obim, I'm super excited. I've brought good news.
What?
My father has approved us getting married.
Is it like? Is it like? Hey!
Yes.
The gods are indeed wise.
The gods are wise and I love you so much.
You love me so much? Are you sure it's true love you feel for me? Or mere pity?
Miram, I have loved you from the very day I set eyes on you. I've come to develop these strong feelings of affection for you. And for the first time in my life, I am making a decision without my parents trying to impose someone else on me. It means a lot.
Come with me.
To where?
Just follow me. Follow me.
No, did you see that? Where could she be taking him to?
I blame this on your father. He gave her this opportunity. But trust me, I'll clip her wings.
No, you better clip those wings, so. Clip those wings, so. How can I be dragging my man with a slave girl?
Leave that to me. All right? Let's go. This is unheard of. Eh? My husband, it is not possible. No, this is so wrong. You cannot play a father figure to a slave. You're a slave. Miram, whatever her name is called, is nothing but a slave.
Ned, we are talking about a maiden who calls me father. Is there anything wrong in playing the father figure to the one that calls me father?
Yes, because she's not your daughter. And she will never be your daughter. She's a slave.
By whatever interpretation you want to give it, Miram is my daughter. And I am going to receive her bride price from the royal family. Is there anything wrong in that?
Everything is wrong with it. Everything is wrong with it because she's your slave. And I will not watch and see that happens. Never. The prince must marry my daughter and not her.
The only thing I will tell you, Neddy, is rest.
I will not rest. I will not rest. Not under my watch. The prince will never marry her. The prince must marry my daughter and not Miram. She's nothing but a slave. She's a slave.
My elders, about what we discussed last time. I've come to the conclusion that I will do it.
Lies! Why are you talking? Huh? I said lies! Never!
Ugeze, how come you barge into the council meeting of the cabinet members to disrupt everything we are doing here? What importance?
Remember, pocket your mouth inside your cloth. I will not have you retired old fools coming to run my home for me. Pocket your mouth inside your cloth if you know what is right for you.
You called us retired old fools? Huh?
What?
Ugeze, have you lost your senses? How dare you insult my chiefs? Now apologize to them.
As our career, I'd rather die than do that.
Now get out of my presence before I lay a curse on you. Now leave!
As our career, if you think I will sit here and allow you bring in another woman into this kingdom, then as our career, you have to think and think twice. Yes. Udemba, Adam Banefo, please leave us alone. Leave us alone! Go and run your own families for crying out loud!
Ugeze, why do you disrupt the meeting of Council of Elders? Eh? With such impetus? But have you forgotten, Ugeze, that I brought you into this palace?
Eh? You brought me into the palace to curse my heart? You brought me into the palace to curse my heart?
Ugeze, we have been patient enough for you for 15 years. We can't continue to wait. The throne of Akamini will not sink into oblivion or go into extinction.
Enough, Udemba!
Woman, how dare you insult Udemba? You gave him that name? What nonsense.
Look who is talking. Just look at who is talking. The one who cannot father a child, yet had 7 sons, Joe Akuma the blacksmith, is talking to the Queen Mother Ugeze. Therefore, are you the father of your 7 children? Answer me! Are you the father of your 7 children? Do they have your blood flowing in their veins?
Woman! Be careful. Be very, very careful. Igwe, are you seeing this? Be very careful, woman.
Oh no, we become my friend. My son, the crown prince, and the heir apparent to the throne of Mbanago, has taken a decision in taking the slave maiden in your house as a wife. Do you have such idea?
Yes, Onyeze. I am very much aware.
And what's your take on that?
Your Majesty, I do not have any problem. A man who is a man should not hold any opinion or a private decision made by another man on something that concerns him privately. On that note, I will be very delighted to receive Miram's bride price from the prince.
And I thank you, my friend. I thank you.
No, Your Majesty, you don't need to thank me. Because the prince you are talking about is like a son to me. And I am delighted that finally, Miram, my daughter, is the chosen one.
Thank you, my friend. Oh no, we
my very good friend.
Hey, that's my friend.
And I will inform my family about this decision. And we are going to start to prepare so that anytime you indicate interest that you are coming, we are going to be waiting for you.
In a fortnight, we shall be there. Yeah. For the wine carrying of Miram. With my cabinet and everybody.
Thank you very much.
Oh no, we
my very good friend.
It will be great that day.
Like I said, we will be waiting.
Thank you.
Ugezi kuono. Inyo. How can a male woman who squat and urinate stand before the king and the cabinet members and utter such insults on the cabinet members? Ugeze, Inawara, you don't even have one iota of respect for your husband. Hey!
Udemba, if I may ask, which husband?
Igwe here.
Igwe. When the woman speaks the truth, she has not become the woman that cuts and pee. Udemba, tell me if all I have said about Mbanefo, if they are lies. Akuma is well and alive, so anybody that cares should go and make his findings. Don't dare you try to shut me up, or I will tell every ears that cares to listen how you have been sleeping with Iwodebe's widow.
Ugeze, what is wrong with you? You come here and accuse everybody. Can you prove what you're saying?
As our career, I can prove it beyond every reasonable doubt. Yes, those who have logs in their eyes should not bother removing the sand from other people's eyes. Igwe, what the cloth covers is massive.
Enough of this your nonsense. Now, Geza, now leave my side before I lose it. Leave my side.
Igwe, tell these old fools to leave us alone. Tell them to leave us alone.
Leave my presence before I order the guards to give. Leave.
I should leave your presence.
Leave my presence before I order the guards to throw you out. Nonsense. And this rude behavior of yours must be punished according to our tradition. What kind of nonsense is this?
We have not seen this kind of thing.
What rubbish is this?
Is she mad or something?
Banagu Kingdom, listen. The king has instructed me to bring this to your notice. The day, the appointed time, the day Prince Ibuka will be taking Miram's hand in marriage. Miram, the slave maiden in Nollywood Ibuka's household. In marriage, Honorable, you all are invited, including me. Mwah.
Miriam, hey.
But how come a slave girl? I was thinking it's going to be the Onowo's daughter.
Ijom Junior. No, if you ask me, who do I ask? Ijom Junior.
This is not a good one for Amaka. Who would have believed after the show-up and feelings, the prince would choose a slave over her?
Well, as for me, I can't wait to laugh at scorn.
This is so surprising.
I said it that girl Amaka will never smell that palace. She have been busy raising her shoulder up, gallivanting, raising her shoulder as the most superior maiden of this kingdom, while the prince is craving for the slave.
You see, I'm going now. This is the best news I've had for today.
Let me go and prepare and go for my brother. Follow. Let me go and prepare for the wedding. Did you hear that?
Anolomian, I heard it. Dimoma, Prince Ibuka, and Miriam. Hey! Amaka will not survive this, so that I am sure of.
But let me ask you, which man will marry that ill-mannered maiden?
Ojoka.
You think if you were like her, I will marry you? I will not come to you.
You know I'm not like Amaka.
Chiamaka. Chiamaka.
Amaka.
I've been calling you.
Amaka. Where are you going with the pot?
I want to go and fetch water with you now. Are you surprised?
Fetch water with me? I'm surprised though. But what the mangwano, thank you so much.
I am happy for you. Tomorrow you are getting married to the prince. Do you know what that means? All I have to do is to accompany you to the river to ease off your stress.
Eh? Chai. Amaka Dalorine. I am so happy.
It's nothing.
You see, in this life, there is no better friend and there is no permanent enemy.
You can say that again. See, I am sorry for everything that I've done to you.
Chai.
I didn't mean to do those
No,
things.
it's not a problem. You know, go, you're my sister. Oh
yeah, let's hurry and go. You know, we'll go plenty times.
Yes,
Just
hey.
tomorrow. So after finishing this one, we'll go back, right?
Yes, we'll go back. We can go like 3 times.
Finally, I'm getting married to the woman of my dreams. Miram, Achalugu wine. Elelebe jolum. I can't wait. Aha. No, don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
You can go. You. Hi. Nkukaraka.
Ah.
Miram, I can't wait.
That reminds me. My husband, I've informed all your brother's wives that will assist us in cooking tomorrow.
You have done very well. What we are planning is royal marriage, and it has to be very loud.
Of course. We are preparing well for the royal family.
Yes.
And Miram.
Thank you. That's why we are doing my nails to look very clean. Very important.
Exactly.
What is it? Who is after you? Why are you panting? What happened?
It's the Miram. I think calamity has befallen our household.
What does that mean?
Amaka, what calamity are you talking about? Where is Miram?
Miram is dead.
Because of my fathers.
I don't understand. How do you mean?
We went to the stream to fetch water. So while we were there, I was busy with my own pot trying to fill it. Then Miram said that she wanted to swim. I didn't say anything. She dived in and started swimming.
Wait a minute. Swimming? Does she know how to swim?
I was surprised, didn't I? But while we were walking down the stream, she said something that I've never heard of. She told me that that she's a maiden from the waters, Nam.
It's again. Now, one Miri.
Yes, Nne. You will not believe it. She told me herself that she didn't. Nobody told me.
Can you forget all this nonsense narration that you're giving me? Where is Miram as we speak?
My husband, what do we tell the royal family? How do we explain this calamity to them?
What kind of misfortune is this? What are we going to call this now?
My husband, where did you buy her from?
What kind of fortune is that?
What? You did not hear what Amaka said. She told her that she was from the river. Probably she must have gone back to where she came from.
Nedi, I need to understand exactly what you are trying to say. What?
What I'm trying to say is that she came from the water. And it's possible she has gone back to her.
Shut up! Shut up! Could this be what you are planning to tell the royal family when they arrive? Could this be? Shut up! Shut up!
Hey!
Timo! My prince! My prince! My prince!
What is it?
Miram.
What happened to Miram?
Miram got drowned in the river.
What? Which river?
Mirago River.
Mirago! Miram! Miram!
My husband, I am happy. Reason, my son is getting married to the most beautiful maiden, though a slave. But no make me for me. It doesn't matter. Hey, I'm happy. Oh, you know be. Hey.
Prince Ibuka deserves it.
Yes, my husband.
He deserves to be happy.
Exactly. Hey.
Father.
My son. Hey. My son. Why are you crying like a baby?
My prince.
Chetana, what happened to your friend?
Have you two gone dumb? Who will tell me what is happening? Why is your body wet? Have you by chance gone to Miriago to swim or what? Talk to me!
Igwe, Miram is dead.
What?
My prince, I brought your food. My prince, your food.
Take the food away. I'm not hungry.
But my prince, you've not had anything to eat all day. Please.
Are you daft? Take the food away. I said I'm not hungry. Get out! Just go. Leave me alone.
Prince Ibuka, why did you do that? I mean, you shouldn't have sent her away. She was only here to save you.
I don't want food. I just want my Mirama.
Mirama is dead and
no, don't ever say that again. She's not dead. My Mirama is not dead. She's alive. Just find out for me, please.
The truth. She's dead.
Look, if you say that again, I'm going to leave this hut for you. She's not dead. She's not dead.
Sorry. Sorry, stop crying. Stop crying. Everything will be okay.
Chika, something bad has happened.
What do you mean? What happened?
Mirama is dead.
What?
She drowned in the river of Mirago.
My God. No wonder the prince asked me out of his sight when I brought his food.
You mean the prince asked you out of his sight?
Eziokwu kanna awagi. He said I should get out. And he was even crying. Hey. Shimo.
I feel for him.
Hey.
Gods of Allah.
Mirama, you left me. You drowned in this river. Our union will no longer hold. We were supposed to get married today. Now I'm all alone. I will forever miss you, Mirama. I will miss you.
I do not believe that Mirama is dead. Indeed, my brother truly loved her. He has been a ghost of himself ever since her death. Oh, God.
Oledo.
Mother.
Prince Ibuka is not in his chambers. Do you have idea where he has gone to?
No, I don't.
Hope is not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
Let it not be that my son has drowned himself in Mirago as well.
What? Mother, please, how can you say a thing like that?
Where is he? Where is Ibuka?
No, my brother cannot get drowned. No!
Where is he? Ibuka. Hey.
prince.
What are you doing here, Chiamaka?
I know that you're having a hard time, my prince. But shutting everyone out, rejecting food, and all of that will not help you out of this situation.
Please. I want to be left alone.
But how am I supposed to leave you alone like this? My prince, I am only here on a harmless consolation visit. My family is grieving too, yet I am here. Have you forgotten Miram was our servant?
Oh, please. Leave. Just go, please.
Are you asking me out of your heart?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait. I learned you went to Miram go with Miram the day she drowned.
Yes, I followed her to the stream to fetch water with her.
Then you came back and told us a story of how she went to fetch water, abandoned the fetching of water and started swimming. What she has never done before.
That was exactly what happened, my prince.
Chiamaka, look into my eyes and tell me exactly what happened at the stream. You have never gone to Mirago before to fetch water. You do not even do chores. Neither can you lift a pin. Tell me what happened to Miriam.
Ugeze, I'm losing my patience. Can you tell me why you don't want me to take another bride that will give me an heir?
Yes, Okaria. But who says I cannot give you an heir? I can.
Oh, you can? And why haven't you given it to me? Knowing that is what I crave for. I have waited for so long. I can wait no longer. Listen. I am getting close to my grave. And I don't want to leave an empty throne. I cannot fail my ancestors. I need an heir.
Yes, Okaria. Yeah, no, but doesn't wine. Eh? All I ask is time. Wait for me, please.
I have waited for 15 years. I don't have time any longer. I need an heir to the throne of my forefathers. I cannot fail my ancestors.
Why did you go to Mirago that morning? To carry out your evil plot, I guess.
What are you insinuating? That I have a hand in what happened to Mirama or what?
You hated her guts. You hated the fact that I chose her over you. So you drowned her so that I can come for you, right?
Excuse you! I beg your pardon, Prince Ibuka. How dare you accuse me like that? Yes, I followed her to the stream to ease off her pain, to ease off her stress. For once I wanted to be nice. For once I wanted to treat her like she's my sister. But what do I get in return? Allegation?
Chiamaka, you can deceive everybody but not me, Ibuka. Look, let me tell you, you will appear before Otutu Aja to swear your innocence before the dreaded Ugwedo.
I will even appear before the deities and the gods of the entire kingdom to swear and prove my innocence.
Ogini. Eh? What is it? Amaka, talk to your mother. What is the problem? Okay, come and sit. Oh? Come and sit, please. What is it? Please tell me, what is it?
Prince Ibuka is accusing me of killing Miram.
What?
He's insisting that I must swear to prove my innocence before the dreaded Ugwedo.
You cannot swear.
I have to swear. I have to swear to prove my innocence to him. Remember, he's the one that I want.
Are you sure about this? But that was not why you went there. You were asked to go help him relieve his heaviness.
Exactly the reason I went there, Nne. But on getting there, he changed and started accusing me of killing Miram. He said I intentionally killed her, so he will have no option than to pick me as his bride.
My husband, can't you see that we are gradually losing our son? I am scared.
Oma Sereze,
Igwe.
Our son in the last 2 years has lost 2 maidens to death.
Igwe, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. That is the reason the gods did not choose another maiden for him. But Amaka, the Onuwu's daughter, is the best for her son.
Our son is still mourning his loss.
Igwe, what are you saying? Who? Our son, mourning who? A slave from nowhere.
But that slave would have been his bride.
My husband, on the contrary. Don't you think that she deserves what she got? Don't you? She deserves it.
Oma Sereze, let it not be what I am thinking.
What are you thinking? What are you thinking? That I have hand in what happened to her? Is that how low you think of me? Ha, Igwe, Akamadrokoya. I don't have any hand in whatever that happened to her.
Anyway, our son insists that Amaka will swear in the presence of Ugwedo.
Swear? How?
Yes, mother.
Ibuka, how can you ask the future queen of this land to swear for nothing?
Firstly, I do not know who made Amaka the future queen of this land. And I do not believe that fairy tale of a story she told. Father, she is going to swear to prove her innocence. And if she is found guilty of having a hand in what happened to Miram, I swear by the gods she will face banishment.
And I, Igwe Ake Buchionwa, will support it.
Eh? Hey.
None. Abela.
My prince, are you sure you want her to go on this?
Yes, Akajiofo. Let us swear to her innocence.
But she is the one choosing for you by the gods.
Akajof, I beg to decline that she is the one chosen by the gods for me. Let her prove her innocence.
Amaka,
Akajof.
the dreaded Uguedo does not spare the guilt. Are you ready to go on this?
Yes, Akajof.
Come. You say you can swear. Take this. And repeat after me. I, Amaka, solemnly swear.
I, Amaka, solemnly swear.
On the dreaded Uguedo.
Dreaded Uguedo.
That if I have a hand.
That if I have a hand.
In the death of Miram.
In the death of Miram.
Strike me. Before the sunrise.
Strike me before the sunrise.
But if I don't have a hand, if I'm innocent.
But if I am innocent.
Spare my life.
Spare my life.
Na-anụgo ndị ibe anyị dị ochie. Na-anụgo ka o si kwu. Ka o si kwu ka o si mee. Anyị enweta ya. Isiokwu ka a na-anata nwa ọkụkọ. Give me. All of you can go. You can go. Go.
Yogo.
Na my gas, okay. BT.
Yes. It's a correct duty. Banefo. You said you have something to tell me.
Oh no. It's about your brother, His Royal Majesty Igwe Okaria.
What about him?
Considering what happened last time at the palace, I decided to come so we can devise a means to talk to His Majesty.
Talk to him about what?
Good. I think he should devise a means to have a secret wife who will bear him male children without the Ugeze knowing.
That is right. Why haven't I thought about this before? Yes, it's good. You see, Ugeze has failed me. She is a bundle of disappointment.
That one? I want to ask you, how come she knew what happened that day? How? Who told her all those things were saying that day? How did she know?
Well, I don't know. You know, Ugeze is a bona fide daughter of Akamili.
Even at then too? Even at then? See, she should be very, very careful though. Let her be very, very careful before she puts herself into trouble. Let her be very careful. Can you imagine that? Nah, my brother. See a secret, how did she know about it?
I don't know that she always spy at me whenever I want to enter into the widow's hut. Widow's house.
Okay, I see you. Actually. Even I for.
I don't know.
Even I chop.
I don't know. Hey. I thought I was going alone. Ukeze, you have not ceased to be the sweetest.
Same with you, Demba. Who would have believed an old man like you is still this active and agile? I get to enjoy it with you more than Okaria. Yes.
Not talking about Okaria, my brother. Do you know, up till now, he does not know that I have been enjoying the woman in you.
Well?
Okaria is already a finished man. He will be killed without an heir He will be killed the same way we killed Ukwesileze, Prince Avamefune, and the princess. I am close to having the throne which was stolen from me by my stepbrother, Ugeze. Listen, as soon as I become the king, I will take you as my lolo.
Puta, come out from that place, come out. If they may go, if they may get, if they moon up, if they moon up,
Both of you have defied the royal household, and you no longer have any place in this kingdom. You are now banished from this kingdom. And if you are seen anywhere around this kingdom, you'll be buried alive. Guards! Lead them to the border. Make sure you lead them to the border of this kingdom. Let them never come back. Please!
Move! Igwe, have mercy. Igwe, Igwe, please.
Move!
Please, please.
Move!
Move!
Igwe, please! Move!
My beautiful daughter,
Nam.
today is indeed your day. The day the gods set aside for you to be taken in as the chosen one. So I urge you to take this cup of wine as tradition demands and show us the man you have decided to spend the remaining days of your life with as his wife. The Bible here. Egwu bido.
Honestly, I'm excited you're following me to this thing.
I am more excited myself.
For the first time.
Chai, at least I will do it and you see that I can actually do it.
One name. Hey, take it easy.
You do it all.
Take it easy. You know you're not used to. But the slippers you said I should remove. Nobody will take your slippers.
Okay, you said so. If they take it, you buy me a new one.
Okay.
Miroma. Miroma, you're using one hand though.
Yes, now I'm used to it.
Miroma, come and help me. The pot is very heavy.
Yeah.
Have you feel this?
I'm trying.
Die! Miroma, die! I cannot allow you to take my money away from me. Die! You deserve to die! Die, Miroma! Come on, my head. My head. My head.
Who are you?
Thanks to the gods, you are awake. My name is Ibuka, the fisherman that rescued you from Mirago. Tell me exactly what happened.
You rescued me?
Yes.
Thank you. I am Miriam, the slave from Ibekwe's compound.
Ibekwe? Why would someone want to hold such a beautiful maiden like you?
His daughter pushed me into the river. She tried to drown me.
Why?
Prince Ibuka.
What about him?
She's upset. The prince chose a common slave like me over her.
What?
The same way my father's wife paid some people to kill me over the same prince.
Your father's wife? I do not understand.
My father's wife paid some people to kill me, but they had mercy on me and sold me to the slave masters. That was when Ibekwe bought me.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
My name is Princess Miram, the princess of Akamiri Kingdom.
You are Miriam, the princess of Akamiri Kingdom, the daughter of Eze Okaria.
Yes, father. The same princess I was to marry. But when we got to Akamiri Kingdom, we were told that she was devoured by a wild animal.
Hey. So you knew?
Obin, why are we here?
I have a confession to make.
A confession?
But you have to promise me you won't tell anyone about it.
I crossed my heart. I won't tell anyone.
I am Princess Miram of Akamiri Kingdom.
What?
The same princess I was supposed to marry.
Yes. You know we never met each other. It was our parents' desire for us to get married.
Yeah, but they told us you were devoured by a wild animal.
No. I am well and alive. Those my stepmother, who gets a paid to kill me, sold me into slavery.
From the first day I met you,
Princess.
I knew you were the one for me, but it was looking so impossible. Makana heguna tumo, oh love mo, iye chuku dero debo ya.
Okay.
What's happening? Confess! Mama, confess! Mama, confess!
Confess what?
Promise. And Lolo. They asked me to follow her to the stream and make sure I drown her in the river. Hey!
Nedima! Omasireze.
Mother, you had a hand in this?
Igwe, Nedima was blackmailing me. So I have to join the plot to remove Miram.
Hey! Nedima was blackmailing you for what?
I knew it. I knew something was not right.
She killed your late father. Ezasamura. Yes.
Nedi, you advised me to kill him.
I was on my own, oh, when she came and told me that her late father-in-law.
My friend, just look at you, shining like the morning sun.
I am not shining anything.
Ogenikwa, what is it? You don't look happy. What seems to be the problem?
It's not my father-in-law.
Eziasmoha. What about him?
That old man has refused to die to join his ancestors so that my prince will be the king.
But I think longevity is a blessing from the gods.
Nedima, that one is a curse, not a blessing. I just want him to die. I can't wait to be the next queen of this kingdom.
Then you should know what to do.
I don't know what to do. That is why I came to you. You mean I should kill him?
That's the only way your husband, the prince, will become the next king of this kingdom. Or don't you want to be the Lolo again?
I won't.
Omasireze, you killed my father.
My husband, I did it for you.
Keep quiet. I never knew you could do such a thing.
My husband, it's Nedima that advised me to remove Miram and even bribe the Akajofo during the Amaka swearing.
Mother, I'm disappointed in you.
Here is my verdict. Nedima Omasiri, Amaka and Akajofo are banished from this kingdom.
Exactly.
Immediately. Yes! Take them away.
Don't
My husband. I'm sorry.
Please, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Please. Husband.
I don't wish to that. All forms of wickedness meted out on Miram. I never knew it would get to the extent of my wife and my daughter plotting her death. Let this pronouncement serve as a warning
to all. Killing of anybody in this kingdom will attract banishment forever.
Yeah. Where you go? Look on here. Look on here. Look on here, balloon. Look on here, look on here. Look on here. Eh! Yo, go, go, go. Yo, go, go, go. Yo, go, go, go. Yo, go, go, go. Yo, go, go, go.
I see our future shining so bright. I feel the future when I look at you. I forum ginanya, I like a kamgi, if I get masigomo. I forum ginanya, I love a kamgi. If I get some more, this is our destiny, our destiny, our destiny, our destiny. This is our destiny, our destiny, our destiny, our destiny. I feel the gods are on my side, on your side, on your side. From the first day I met you, I knew you were the one for me, but it was looking so impossible. Makana heguna tumo, oh love mo, iye chukudero deboya, obimo, no one can say no. When the gods say yes, this is our destiny, our destiny, our destiny, our destiny. This is our destiny, our destiny, our destiny, our destiny. This is our destiny, our destiny, our destiny, our destiny. This is our destiny, our destiny, our destiny, our destiny. I feel the gods are on my side, on your side, on your side. I feel